Guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch my video. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a YouTube banner, but this time this is specifically made for boys. Okay, so there's not going to be no pink in this banner, no female type of vibe going on. This is just strictly made for boys because I realized that there's not really a lot tutorials out there that is specifically made for boys, so boys have to kind of go with the tutorials that are basically based on girls. So I decided to make one that's just for you guys. I hope you like how your banner ends up looking like by the end of this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below your thoughts, and also share this to who you think will be interested. So now let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is showing you guys the banner that I'm going to be doing the tutorial on. So this is the way it's going to look. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go into Safari, Google, and then you're gonna type in remove.bg. Okay, when you get here, you're gonna click on upload image and a photo library. Then you're gonna choose 3 pictures in total. Okay, so you're gonna do them one at a time, but you're gonna have to erase the background of your pictures. Okay, so you're gonna need 3 of them. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna do this one. So you click on the picture and then click on done. And then it's gonna load, and then eventually it's only gonna leave you with the person. Okay, so you're gonna have to do this for 3 pictures. All right, once you finish doing this, we're gonna go back to the search bar. Okay, so you're gonna go to Google, and then you're gonna type in green background, HD if you want to, you know, and then you're gonna scroll and choose the one that you like the most. The one that I went for was this one right here. Okay, I just screenshotted it and then I just cropped it down to the picture itself. Okay, great. Now what you're gonna do is go into the app called Picsart. So once you get to the Picsart homepage, you're gonna click on collage, and then you're gonna choose 4 pictures of your choice. Okay, then you're gonna basically click on this first one here, either this first one here, or you can either go for, if it's gonna come up, this one. Okay, so you can either click on this one here or the second one. Okay, I think I went for this one, so I'm gonna go for this. Then you're gonna click on border, and then you're gonna take this down to 0. Then you're gonna click on next. Okay, now you're gonna click on tools, crop, and then you can see these numbers here at the top. You're gonna click on that. Then you're gonna go into the width, and then you're gonna type in 2560, and for the height 423, and then click on OK. All right, you can zoom in back in again so you can get like your pictures inside. Okay, so you're gonna have to select a section though. I'm gonna just skip my here. Okay, then you're gonna click on apply. Next thing you're gonna do is click on add photo, and you're gonna be adding this green background that we saved from Google before. Okay, you're gonna open it up like this, and then you're gonna click on blend, and then you're gonna scroll and click on screen. Okay, then you're gonna click on apply. Great. Now you're gonna save this by clicking on this arrow here at the top. Okay, great. Now we're gonna go onto the app called Phonto. All right, so when you get to Phonto, you're gonna click on the camera, plain images, and then you're gonna click on the white background here, and then you're gonna click on color, and you're gonna take the alpha down to 0. Next thing you're gonna do is click on apply, then click on this arrow, and then use. So now the next thing you're gonna be doing is going back to Google. Okay, and you're gonna type in on the search bar, you're gonna type in this font. Okay, good game font, and then you should click on thefont.com. all right, so you can see here good game font. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna click on download, then click on download again, and then you're gonna click on this arrow pointing downwards inside the blue circle, and then you're gonna click on downloads. You're gonna click on this file, and it should take you to your files app. Okay, then you're gonna press and hold on the font file, and then you're gonna click on share. When you click on share, it's gonna come up with different apps. You have to scroll and find Phonto, okay? Then once you click on Phonto, it should take you to the Phonto app. And then it should come up with install for you, okay? Then you're gonna install the font, okay? Once you do that, just click on this X here and then click on the camera icon, then plain images, click on the white background and then click on color and then take the alpha down to 0. Then click on apply. Then click on this arrow and then use. Now you're gonna type in the first part of your YouTube channel name, okay? Then you're gonna click on font and then you're gonna go onto my font and you're gonna select Good Game as the font. Great. So because I was going for like a green theme for this banner, I kept the text with the green colors going on, okay? So you don't have to go for a green theme for this banner if you don't want to. Anytime I type in something green or I go for like a green color, you can go for any color that you want to go for, okay? So once I typed in the name, I clicked on style. Then I went on to create color pattern. And then I chose the white color. Then I clicked on this red square and then I just kept on scrolling. And then I clicked on this green color. I'm not sure what green I clicked on, but I know it's one of these lot. So after that, I clicked on characters here at the top. That's next to save. And then I clicked on gradient. So the first one, okay? Now I clicked on apply. Then I went on to stroke and then I chose the dark green. And then the last thing I did was click on style again. And then I clicked on the green color for the background, okay? I'm not sure what green I went for. It's either this dark green or this one. So yeah, then I increased the alpha a bit more. Then I clicked on done and then I saved this, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys the actual one that I did before so you can get like a reference on how I did it. So the stroke color, I believe it was, yeah, it was this one. So you count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was the 4th green that I went for. And then for the colors, the text colors, this was the color I went for. All right, great. So after you type in that and then, you choose the colors that you want, you're gonna click on this arrow here and you're gonna save it as PNG, all right? Once you finish saving it, you're gonna come back to Phonto and then you're just gonna double tap on your text and then just type in the second part of your YouTube channel name, okay? So in this case, it was Warren. And then I just did exactly the same thing and I just saved it to my camera roll as PNG. So the next thing you're gonna do now is go on to Picsart again and then you're gonna click on blank here, okay? So once you get to the home page, you're gonna click on blank and then you're gonna click on sticker. Then you're gonna go into the search bar and you're gonna type in iPhone frame. Then you can scroll and pick the one that you like the most. So the one I went for was this one right here, okay? And then I just clicked on add photo and then I added the profile page screenshot of Armin. And then the next thing I did was click on these 2 squares in here and then I took the screenshot of his profile page onto the second position so it goes behind the phone. And then that's it. And then I just clicked on this arrow over here and then I downloaded it, okay? So you're gonna upload this, okay, that you saved before. And then you're gonna click on add photo. And then you're gonna begin by adding your YouTube channel name, okay? So to make things a bit easier, you can zoom into the banner like this so you can, see things a bit clearer. So I added the name here, okay, roughly here in the middle. Then I added the second part of it, but this time I made this part a bit smaller like this, okay? And then the next thing I did was add the first photo, okay, so this one. Then I clicked on shadow. Then I clicked on color and I chose the white color. Then I went on to position and then I made the horizontal shadow be at number 13 and the vertical at number 10, okay? Then I went on to adjust and then I increased the opacity up until 100. and then I just placed the photo right here like this. Okay, next thing I did was add the phone, so this, and then I think I placed it like this. Let me check. Okay, so the phone was zoomed. I zoomed into the phone like this, and then I placed it right here. Next thing I did was go onto sticker, and then I typed in iPhone, and then you can choose any iPhone, okay, that you want. For now, I'm really liking this one, so I'm gonna just add this one like this at the top. Okay, great. Now the next thing you're gonna be doing is clicking on add photo, and then you're gonna add another photo, okay, that you erase the background from. And then I'm gonna add this one here. And then I also did exactly the same thing with the shadow. So color, then this. And then I added the last picture here at the side. So I made this picture quite small, okay, because we're gonna need this space to add the YouTube icon later on. Okay, and then now you're gonna click on apply, and this is how everything should look like. Great. Now you're gonna click on sticker. So I just typed in YouTube green, and then this is the one that I chose. Okay, so I added this one here, and then I clicked on shadow, and then I just left it like that. Okay, and then I clicked on text, and then I just typed in subscribe, and the fonts that I used was Archivo Black, I think. Yeah, I just used the Archivo Black. I went onto color, and then I chose the white color. Then I went onto shadow, and then I chose the black color. Then I clicked on position, and then this is the way I left everything to be. So vertical was at 0 and horizontal was at 0 as well. Then I went onto stroke, and then I clicked on the black color as well, and then I kept the outline at 29. Okay, then I made this small, and then I took it to the side here. So now the next thing you're gonna do is click on apply. Okay, then you're gonna click on sticker, and then you're gonna type in the social medias that you have. Okay, so for example, for Armand, I just typed in Instagram, and then after that I typed in Twitter, because I think those are the social medias he's on apart from YouTube. And then I just chose a simple icon. I think I went for this one, and then I just placed it underneath the subscribe. Then I clicked on sticker again, and then I just typed in Twitter. Then I clicked on shadow, and then I made it smaller as well, and then I placed it next to the Instagram icon. And then the last thing I did was click on sticker. Then I went to the home page, okay, and then I clicked on recent, and then I just clicked on the YouTube icon again. I went into shadow, and then after that I just placed this one here at the top like this. Okay, and now the last thing we're going to be adding is a flare. Okay, you can choose anyone. I think the one I went for was this one here. Okay, the one next to this purple one. I made it small and then I took it to the subscribe part like this. And then now clicked on apply, and then I saved it. So now the next thing you're gonna be doing is choosing a background of your choice. Okay, it doesn't matter what background you're gonna go for. So once you get that background up, you're gonna upload it onto Picsart. For example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so you're gonna click on tools and then crop. Then you're gonna click on these numbers here at the top, and then for the width you're gonna type in 2048, and for the height 1152. I believe that's the frame that YouTube allows for banners. If it's not right, I'm gonna put it up here, but I believe it's 2048 and 1152. So 2048 times 1152. Okay, so this is the frame that you need to keep your picture at. Okay, so once you put up here in Picsart, you're gonna click on add photo, and then you're gonna be adding your banner, and then you're gonna click on border. This is optional, by the way. You don't have to add the border, but I just like it because it makes the banner pop out from the background even more. So I just clicked on the black color for the border. Okay, you can choose any color that you want, and if you don't like any colors in here, you can click on this rainbow circle here and then just, you know, choose the color that you want and everything. And then yes, that's all I did to get this banner for you guys. I hope you like how your banner ended up looking like. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below your thoughts, and also share this to who you think would be interested. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.